I hate fucking birds. I mean, that came out wrong. I hate birds. I don't mean that I hate fucking birds. But actually, I hate that too. But like, what I want to say is that initially what I was trying to say is I hate birds. Not that I hate fucking birds. But the more I try, the worse it gets. Look, I hate them because they have wings. And I can never have wings because I can't afford Red Bull. So I'm jealous of birds for having wings. And I'm here stuck with sting energy costing 20 rupees, translating to about 1 cent. So I hate fucking birds. I mean, I hate birds, not fucking them. I mean, I hate fucking them too, but like, oh my god, what have I done?